Hey y'all, it's your girls, the Soleil Twins, and we're back with another invisible lock bob tutorial. So we started out with some pre-parting, and I'm using the edge. I was using the wrong one, y'all. I'm using the edge one, but it's supposed to be the braid gel. Get the braid gel in the yellow jar. I got this recommendation from TikTok, but super helpful. So this first one, I'm wrapping to the left. Some of these locks, I tried to figure out which ones wrap better if you go in the same direction or opposite directions. And I've just found it really doesn't matter, okay? But the first one wrapped to the left and this one wrapping to the right. Now I'm going to take both of them, hold them taut, like extremely tight, twist them in the opposite direction as I flip them over each other, trying to get a good hold on them. And if you want another video, we have one up already. But this one I had to do again. And some of them you will have to do again. And that's okay. Twist it up again very, very tightly. Twist them. Twist them. And now I'm going to add that Cuban twist. Twist one side to the right, one side to the left. And twist them over each other. I'm going to show you that a couple more times in the video, slowed down, so don't worry, okay? But I really appreciate you guys loving that last invisible lock video. And so we were like, we might as well give y'all the other one too. So yeah. So now I'm just adding some product. I'm going to twist to the right and twist the other side to the left as we flip over. Okay, so you do this all the way down, but these are freaking gorgeous and they're super lightweight. So this is me slowing it down. I'm twisting them opposite directions and flipping them over each other. Twist, opposite, flip, twist, opposite, flip, twist, opposite, flip. And you're doing that down the entire lock until you make your barrel knot on the end. So you hold it up to the angle that is going to work best for you. Literally just wrap downward. And then you put your rubber band on them, just like so. Sometimes they may even come out a little bit short after you let it go. Literally just take it down, do it again, okay? But this one I'm going to go in the same direction. So I'm smoothing it and I'm twisting to the right. And Taylor was there, so she was able to hold it for me, but you can also just clip it away. And then I'm going to take the other side as well. And I'm going to twist this. Looks like I'm going to the left. So I was still going in opposite directions. Okay. Really, really cute. Look at the last one, y'all. This one right here in the back. Right here in the back. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love it. Love it. You have to make sure you keep these center though. Okay. So again, I'm just grabbing both strands, twisting them in the directions I had been twisting them, but keeping it nice and taut. I cross over 2 times. Cross them over once. Cross them over twice. I'm twisting it again. Twisting the other one in the opposite direction. And I'm going to cross it over one more time. And then I'm going to add the Cuban twist. So now I'm just twisting it up tight, making sure it's ready to roll. Grab my hair. Lay it on it. Twist it over to the right on this side. Twist the other one to the left on this side. And then cross over. Now you twist and cross over. Twist and cross over. Y'all, I know y'all can hear the cars in the background, y'all. We're in Atlanta right now doing hair. But we're on the way back to Florida. So that's why you hear all that noise. But yeah, twist and cross over. Look at how cute these freaking invisible locks are. Super lightweight. She said she really couldn't feel anything on her head. When Tay had her hair done, she said she couldn't feel anything. So I'm just thinking that this style is freaking just amazing. Super protective, super simple. And the more you do it, the easier it's going to get too. Okay, but I'm just loving them. If you ever see that some of them are lagging, just take them out and do them again. Don't be lazy, because you literally need to pay attention to the details with this style, because if the twists don't look right, it's going to throw off the look, okay? So this one right next to the one that I'm working on is a perfect example of it being center. It's twisted tight to the root, because you do not want these slipping out, okay? The one under the one right here in the middle, you can see it's kind of more so shifted to the left. I ended up taking it down and doing it more center. So just keep an eye on that. But other than that, this is a super easy and affordable hairstyle. Super easy, super affordable. We used, I think 2.5 packs of Cuban twist. So yeah, super affordable, super easy. But anyway, just crossing over now, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we're doing that barrel knot. All right, so now this is in the prime example of me putting the rubber band on there. It was way too short, so I had to come down some and just do it again. Because I was trying to figure out, was I trying to frame the face with the front locks, the ones by the ear and on at the top of the head? Was I trying to frame the face, or was I trying to match them all the same length to the back of the neck? And then Taylor was like, no, match them all to the back of the neck. So that's what we ended up doing. I ended up taking them out and matching everything to the back of the neck. And this came out so freaking pretty. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add a rubber band to it. And on Instagram, y'all, I saw a girl add curly hair. So don't make me add no curly hair because, honey, we really be in there then. So y'all let us know if y'all want us to do this style again, but with some curly pieces added, because that would just be dope. But anyway, I'm going to go through and walk you through the same steps again. So I think, did I do this one in the same direction, Tyler? I mean, dang. Okay, so this one's going to the right. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, this one is going to the right as well. So now this is a same direction wrap lock. Wrap tight to the root twice. Wrap, twist, twist, twist to the right on both sides, and twist them babies back over each other. So literally, it didn't look any different. I don't know. I just wanted to figure it out because I was thinking, if I wrap each side toward each other, would that look better? But it really didn't matter, y'all. So it really didn't matter. But here's another view. We were trying to give y'all so many angles. We were like, listen, they liked the last video, give them angles this time. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because we see what you guys like and we try to give y'all more. Okay. Now these two are wrapped twisted, opposite direction. Keep it tight to the scalp. Keep it tight. Yes, honey, these twists was beautiful. Beautiful. I also have another tutorial on TikTok as well. All right, y'all. So here goes the final results. Period. Yes, 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 yes. We were so in love, guys. So in love. She ate this style. It was perfect for her face. And I just really hope y'all love and appreciate the video.